Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing fine. So we were discussing about small intestine, right? Because we earlier in the last lectures, in the last class, we have already discussed about stomach. So today we are going to study about small intestine. Okay. I have already given you the overview and the function of the small intestine and its secretion, that it secretes some juices which are also transported from pancreas and liver. Correct? So the small intestine, they are highly coiled structure. They are highly coiled, but it is highly coiled. It is highly coiled. As I have drawn this, figure in elementary canal, the first diagram, it is highly coiled. And you know, in the last class, I told you that it is not small. It is very long. Okay, it is 7.5 meter long. It is 7.5 meter long, longer than us. Okay, but it is inside our abdominal cavity. Correct? Okay. So it receives secretion from whom? It receives secretion from liver and pancreas. Correct? And it also secretes its own juice. It also secretes its own juice. So it secretes juices and also what? It also receives secretion and also receives secretion from liver and pancreas. Correct. So it receives secretion from liver and pancreas. It has its own juices. So this is small intestine. Okay. So now we will talk about what is liver. As I have told you, liver is the largest gland found in our body, right? So let me remove this. Liver. Now we will talk about liver. Liver, it is situated in the right side of the abdominal cavity. Okay. Liver is situated here in the right side. Okay. It is reddish brown in color. Okay. It is reddish brown in color. Liver. It is brown in color. Okay. And it is situated in the upper right side part of the abdomen. It is located okay. So it is located in the upper right side of the abdomen. Correct. So it is the largest gland in the body. We know that it is largest gland in the body. It is largest gland of our body. So it is largest gland of our body. Correct. It secretes bile juice. Okay. Let's see. Suppose this is a liver. Okay. This is a liver. So it secretes bile juice. Okay. It secretes bile juice. But that bile juice, okay, that bile juice is stored in a sac-like structure. Okay. It's situated in it's situated on the liver. So see, this is called gallbladder. अब देखो ये लीवर क्या कर रहा है, सिक्रीट क्या बनाता है, ये बनाता है बाइल जूस, ठीक है। और ये बाइल जूस क्या हो रहा है, ये बाइल जूस इसके अंदर ये थैला जैसा जो स्ट्रक्चर है जो लीवर के ऊपर ही है, उसमें ये रख दिया जाता है कुछ देर के लिए, फिर वहां से भेजा जाता है किसके पास, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। तो ये जो थैला जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है इसको हम लोग कहते हैं गॉल ब्लैडर, दिस इज नोन एज गॉल ब्लैडर। So this is liver. Liver secretes bile juice, which is stored in the sac-like structure, pouch-like structure, which is called gallbladder, from where it is transported to small intestine. Correct? Okay. So what we are going to write next? That liver it secretes bile juice. It secretes bile juice. It secretes bile juice. So this is liver. This is liver. It secretes bile juice, which is stored in this sac-like structure called gallbladder. Which is stored in a sac called gallbladder. Okay, so this is called gallbladder. Okay, you know this bile juice helps in digestion of fats. Okay, this bile juice helps in digestion of fats. So let's write. Okay, so bile juice helps in digestion of fats. Okay, now let's talk about pancreas. Okay, now let's talk about pancreas. This is liver, and we have already studied about liver and gallbladder, its juices, fats, bile juice. Now let's talk about pancreas. Pancreas is large, cream-like structure, cream-like color, okay, which is situated below the stomach, that is on the left-hand side. Okay. Pancreas. It is cream-like color, okay. Cream-like color gland. It is located below stomach. It is located below stomach. Okay. So it secretes a juice which is called as pancreatic juice. Juice secreted by pancreas is called pancreatic juice. Juice secreted by pancreas. Pancreas is called pancreatic juice. And we know that juice is enzymes, right? Pancreatic juice. Okay. So it helps in the digestion of carbohydrate, fats, proteins, and change them into simpler form. So what we can write that it helps in digestion of carbohydrates. That's right. Okay, so it converts carbohydrate, fats, and proteins into simpler forms. Okay. So your homework is to write about the functions of small intestine, stomach, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder too. And there is a one story given in your book, which you will have to go through it and you will have to write about it. Okay, so let's meet you in the next class. Meanwhile, take care and bye bye.